Hey guys, so welcome back to another quick phone video. In today's video, do I have a good video for you guys? Yes, this is another money saving coupon code, should I say, video. I know you guys love these videos because, you might be thinking about getting a new smartphone. And what's cool about shopping through boostmobile.com, which is the only way you can get this promo code, is it doesn't matter if you're a new customer, existing customer, or a reporting customer. This is fair game for everybody, so this discount code will work for everyone. So talking about, or should I say, speaking about discount codes, let's talk about our number one supporter now, Honey. Honey is a free web browser extension that will find you the best promo codes on popular shopping websites like Amazon, Boost Mobile, Best Buy, and many more. Get it today at joinhoney.com/ref/dragonic. So check it out, guys. Join it. It's free. It'll help the channel, especially when you make your first purchase. So always use Honey when you're shopping on like Amazon or Boost Mobile, and you will get some savings as well and some money back as well. So let's get into it, guys. So as you can see, here we go. We're at boostmobile.com. So right now, if you go to phones, like I said, this is another good time to get, to use this promo code. As you can see, there it is, extra 20% off new Android phones. Use code SUMMER2019. As summer is coming towards the end, I guess, a lot of companies are starting to do this kind of like summer blowout sales. And Boost Mobile, that's why they're doing this promo code. So this is good until July 31st, 2019. So you still got, a little bit, about a week or so left, a little bit under to use this. And you might be saying, what kind of good phones are there out there? Currently, guys, Boost Mobile has the Galaxy A10e. Of course, it's a very good phone. Costs $100, but hey, what if I tell you, thanks to like Honey and, Boost Mobile, they will save you $20 off. So instead of $100, you're going to get it for $80, guys. That's a very, very good savings. I picked this phone up for $100 and I gave it an A++, passing for the price and for what it offers. Yes, maybe the camera's not the best, but hey guys, for a Samsung, and I like how the notch looks, you're only getting it for $100. Plus right now you can currently get it for $20 off. Another good phone that, I have a comparison between these two phones in the description below. You can see which one's a little bit faster. Is a CoolPad Legacy, guys. Another great phone. One thing that the CoolPad would beat the Galaxy A10 is bigger screen and bigger battery. But overall, I'd go more with the Galaxy A10e. I think it's just a little bit more smooth. And, I like Samsung, so a little biased there. But these two guys are very good phones. Like I said, both of them you would save $20 off, which is 20%. Of 100, and same thing, look at other phones. There's another one, Stylo 5, guys, costs $200. You save $40 on that one, 20% off that. So that's another really good phone as well. But like I said, for the price, like I said, go with either the Galaxy A10e or the CoolPad Legacy. Let's just go down here. Now remember, this promo code is only for new Android phones, cannot be pre-owned, and cannot be iPhones. But overall, I think it's good, There's an A10e, of course. Usually Boost Mobile will price drop this phone down to about $650. Right now it's at $750. So you probably want to wait till, that phone drops down $100. It's probably doing so good on on Boost that they keep it up there. There's a Stylo 4 Plus, $200. And then remember, 20% off. There's a Stylo 4, same thing. The Galaxy, like I said, the Galaxies are pretty good, but as well, look, Motorola's right there. The J7 at $130. Like I said, it's very, very competitive right now. Samsung is really making it hard to kind of say get these phones at $130, where with the A10e being only $100, I'm kind of tempted to say go with that one. Maybe if you want a Galaxy 9, $600, you'll save 20% off that. Look, Boost still has the Galaxy S8, you save 20% off that, and of course some other phones here. But let's go ahead and show you an example. So let's say we want the A10e. So as you can see, once you're going through your checkout, you just click add to cart. Oh, I guess it's already in my cart. So put in your cart, and what's cool about this is you don't have to copy and paste the promo code, because thanks to Honey, it will just do it for you. So this is where you put the promo code, but you just click your web extension here. Once you download Honey, it's free. Apply coupons. And there you go. It says coupons found. So it'll search the whole website. And as you can see, there you go. It applied the summer 2019 code and just click apply. So find it, put it there for you. Click checkout. And look at that, guys. A discount of $20 is applied. So you get it for $80 plus, then you have to pay shipping and handling and all that stuff. But, pretty cool. So some way to save you some money there, guys. So, let me know if what phone you're thinking about buying with this extra 20% off that Boost Mobile has going on. Remember, it's going on until the 31st of July. So the end of July is when this promo code will expire. So hurry up and get it. Remember, it's summer 2019, so hurry up and get it. Back to the video, guys. Like I said, what are you gonna do? What phone do you think you will go ahead and pick up thanks to this discount? So let me know. Like I said, this doesn't matter if you're eligible for an upgrade, a new line, or a port-in. Everybody can benefit from it. So thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Like I said, check out Honey. They're the new channel sponsor. So will help the channel, especially once you make your first purchase like this. I will get a little bit of commission off that, and it will help me bring more content to you guys, like more phone reviews, unboxings, and all that cool stuff. Check them out. You can also now support the channel as well with the join button next to the subscribe button, where you can actually donate monthly to the channel to get extra perks and all that cool stuff. So thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and also check out netbuddy.co. They offer true unlimited AT&T Hotspot, never throttled or capped, for only $65 a month. But if you use my link and promo code at checkout, you will save $5. That promo code is Sanchez45973. All that will be in the description below. Thank you so much, and a lot more videos coming to you guys. I have a lot more videos coming, so check it out and hit that little bell.